Welcome to this complete guide on the top 5 smart home safety devices. In today's world, staying protected is more important than ever, and these smart tools make it easier to keep your home safe, informed, and connected. From smoke detection to gas leak alerts and radon monitoring, each product brings unique value. Watch closely until the end, because I'll share the best overall recommendation based on reliability, accuracy, and everyday usefulness. Let's get started. Number 1. Xsense Smart Smoke Detector. The Xsense SC07-MR51 is a powerful all-in-one smoke and carbon monoxide detector designed for modern homes. This system includes 5 detectors and 1 base station, allowing them to stay interconnected so alerts spread instantly across your home. The smart station notifies you through the app, providing clear updates even when you're away. With long-lasting battery operation, there's no need for hardwiring. It uses advanced sensors for fast smoke detection and accurate carbon monoxide monitoring. The built-in alarm is loud enough to be heard across rooms, ensuring quick response during emergencies. Designed for families, apartments, and large homes, this Xsense system adds an essential layer of protection, delivering peace of mind day and night. Number 2. ecobee Smart Sensor. The ecobee Smart Sensor Pack enhances home comfort and energy savings while supporting security features. When paired with an ecobee Smart Thermostat, these sensors help maintain balanced temperature across different rooms, preventing hot and cold spots. They also detect occupancy, allowing your thermostat to adjust automatically when you're home or away. Beyond comfort, these sensors add security by alerting you to unexpected motion when paired with ecobee's home monitoring tools. Installation is simple, and battery life lasts long enough for reliable, year-round operation. For anyone building a smarter, more efficient home, these sensors offer impressive capability in a small package. Number 3. NICGOL K158 Detector. This upgraded 4-in-1 detector brings multiple layers of protection in a single device. It monitors natural gas, propane, methane, and carbon monoxide, while also providing temperature and humidity readings. The plug-in design makes setup fast. Just connect it to any wall outlet, and it begins scanning your environment immediately. The dual sensor system improves accuracy and reduces false alarms, while the real-time digital display gives clear information at a glance. Whether used in homes, kitchens, RVs, or rental spaces, this detector offers quick alerts that help prevent dangerous situations. It's a dependable, all-purpose safety upgrade. Number 4. THIRDREALITY Zigbee Vibration Sensor. The THIRDREALITY Zigbee Vibration Sensor is ideal for detecting unexpected movement on windows, doors, safes, or valuable items. When vibration or tampering is detected, it triggers an audible 110 decibels alarm, loud enough to catch attention instantly. Sensitivity levels can be adjusted depending on where it's placed. It connects with Echo devices, SmartThings, and Home Assistant, allowing automation and app alerts. This sensor is excellent for reinforcing home security even when you're away. For apartment doors, storage cabinets, or workspace safety, this compact device adds a simple but highly effective layer of protection. Number 5. Airthings 325 Corentium Home 2 Smart Digital Radon Detector. Airthings Home 2 provides long-term radon monitoring with accuracy and smart features. Since radon is an invisible gas that can affect indoor air safety, this detector offers continuous tracking and Bluetooth connectivity to monitor results through your phone. It also measures temperature and humidity, helping maintain a healthier indoor environment. Lightweight and portable, it can be placed in different rooms for periodic testing. The device updates readings regularly, giving you reliable insight and helping you take action if levels increase. Anyone serious about home health and air quality will find this tool essential. My top recommendation is the Xsense Smart Smoke and CO Detector combo. It offers the highest level of protection with interconnected alerts, smart notifications, long battery life, and fast response sensors. It's the most complete safety upgrade for modern homes. Thanks for watching this full breakdown of the top 5 smart home safety devices. Each product brings meaningful protection, whether for air quality, security, or emergency alerts. If this guide helped you choose the right device for your home, feel free to check out our other reviews for more smart and reliable solutions. Stay safe, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next one.